What if you could describe what you want done in your browser and your AI assistant just does it? No Selenium, no custom test scripts, no brittle CSS selectors. Just watch Claude navigate through your browser all in real time. And that's Playwright MCP. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set that up in your Rails 8 app. By the end of this video, you'll have Claude navigating your app, filling in forms, everything, all from a plain English prompt. Before we touch any code, let me give you a brief overview. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's an open standard by Anthropic, and it lets AI models control different things and not just generate text. The other tool we're using is Playwright, and you might know that tool from test automation. It's a library by Microsoft that allows you to control the browser by clicking, filling in forms, and all different sorts of actions. Playwright MCP combines these two things. It allows Claude Code to leverage Playwright behavior and control the browser. And here's the key insight. You don't write any of this code. You describe what you want and Claude figures out the selectors and everything. And here's what you need before we start. Ruby on Rails, which you probably already have. Node.js. If you don't have that, please download it off the Node.js website because it's an important step in getting Playwright to run and installing Playwright. And thirdly, you need Claude Code installed. Now, before we go any further, you can start by cloning the repo, which you should see a link in the description of this video. And after it's cloned, we'll follow a few more steps to get it set up. And next we can run bundle install, which I had already done this, but I'll do it again. And then the next step is to do Rails DB setup. And now if you open up localhost, you should see all three posts in the browser. Now let me show you how Playwright MCP is wired in. You can see the .mcp.json file where it has the npx command and the argument Playwright MCP latest. Okay, so now we're going to open up a new terminal and we're going to type in Claude. From here we can do /MCP and there it is. We can see Playwright is connected. I'm going to start really simple. Within the Claude terminal, I'm going to ask Claude to open up localhost and take a screenshot of the post index page. Let's try it. Okay, Now let's do something more interesting. I'll tell Claude to create a new post. Create a new post. There we go. I'm going to press enter. Okay, cool. Post created successfully. The browser was redirected to post 4, confirming the new post was saved. And there it is. Hello from Playwright MCP. This post was created by Claude using browser automation. Let's do 2 more just to show that it can do full create, update, and delete. And so now I'm going to type edit the okay. So now I'm going to press enter. Okay, so it clicked edit. It's changing it to created by AI. The post was successfully updated. And then one more thing I'm going to do is just delete action, and I'm going to type delete the MCP. There it is. Post was successfully destroyed. So that is the full setup. And what I would encourage you to do next is to get this set up on your local machine. You can clone the GitHub repo that's in the description. Then I would start experimenting with the different prompts that you can do. Second, think about where this fits in with your Rails workflow. This isn't just for demos. You can use this for reproducing bugs, onboarding new team members, to demonstrate new features. There's various ways you can do this. Experimental QA. There's so many different things you can try. If you're interested in a document with a setup checklist and a bunch of different prompt examples you can use with Playwright MCP, please check the description below for free. If you find this video useful, please subscribe below. I'm going to be continuing to make more videos on Rails and AI tooling. Have a great day.